Hey guys, hope you're all having a wonderful weekend. I have a little bonus video for you this weekend. I have a Happymail share. Yes, I want to share this with you. This came from a Dutch subscriber here on YouTube and on Instagram. I've known her for some time now and we had a lovely chat. And then she asked me, can I please send you a Happymail? Because she's from the Netherlands, I didn't feel that bad. And I said, okay, well, thank you. That'd be very, very kind. So she did send me a lovely Happymail. And, you know, I just wanted to share with you guys. I did open it up. Yes, had a lovely letter in there. And, but I didn't unpack everything yet. I wanted to do that with you guys. So let's go. I did cover up the address, of course. It says Happymail. Lovely box. I'm also happy with the box to send some stuff in. It's also always hard to find boxes. So this was in here. I was happy. This was the letter. It says Happymail. It's like in a fall theme and I opened it on the top. It was lovely. Thank you so much, sweetheart, for sending me this. I am for sure gonna, you know, recycle this. I'm gonna start at the top. I can already see two things on here that really excite me. Well, if you're doing a horse lover's journal, this will be fantastic, which I am. Yes. Oh, these are the same. Great. I can hoard one. I can use one. Thank you so much. Love these. These are beautiful. Printed in England. These are from England. I don't have anything like this. They're a little bit embossed. Love it, love it. But now, you know, numbers. Love that. I love these sorts of pages. Use them for almost everything. Backgrounds on text, journal cards and collages. Love it. Oh, ledger. Yes, I think ledger is one of the most favorite papers that I own. This is French. It is gorgeous. Look at the pen writing. 1895. Well, I wasn't around then. Ooh, there's lots more in here. Ooh, there's lots more. Very big ledger pages. I have some that is completely written on and also some that is not completely written on. I like both because you can do something with this. Yes, you can use this for backing and journal cards. Oh, yes, thank you. Does this make you happy? Well, that makes me happy. Very, very nice. Large pages. Yes, yeah, I do prefer this over the blank one. But the blank one is very usable. I'm going to try and print on it. I'm going to do sort of an experiment. Yeah. So yeah, these are blank. Yes, I'm going to try to do that. It's going to be lovely. Probably. Don't know. Let's find out. Oh, so it's so beautiful. This is from 1909, I guess. Or 4. Or beginning of 1900. Or it's not a date at all. That's also a possibility, of course. Love it. Thank you so much. What is this? Wow. Ooh, is this? That's a real one. That's a real one. 1872? No, it was sort of founded in 1872. But this looks very, very old to me. It is fantastic. Yes, this is old enough for me to scan, so I'm gonna scan it. I'm gonna scan it. Look at all the lovely stuff. Fantastic. It is, of course, French. Yes. Where is it for? Liquors. Eau de vie liquors. Okay. Well, I don't do liquors. But I love this. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm gonna scan this. Another piece of ledger, but then smaller, from 1939. This is Dutch. The other one was French. My. I am so curious where you got this. This is fantastic. Probably went to a vacation in France and found that. I never go to France on vacation. Lovely piece of advertisement. Again, French. Love this, love this, love this. Thank you. I think this is also old enough to scan. Then these are die cuts. Oh, this is like for my cooking journal, right? Yeah. Fantastic. It's like a retro style of die cuts. Chipboard. Kitschy Kitchen. That is a fantastic name. Kitschy Kitchen. Thank you so much. Oh, these are wonderful. Look at this. Advertisements. Really lovely ones. Oh, Oh, look at this. 1923, old enough, old enough. This is for fashion for children, if I am not mistaken. That is a beautiful print. Yes, it will fit my scanner, so I can scan this. Oi, what? Look. Yum, 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 yum. Isn't that fantastic, guys? Isn't that fantastic? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna contact her and ask her if she minds if I scan these and sort of share them with you guys. I love, look at this sort of small. Yeah, that will look lovely to make just, you know, a label with or something like this. It is fantastic. More. There's more on here. Yeah, what's she wearing? Well, I'm wearing a sweater with a belt and something. Someone put something in my hair. It's so cool. Yeah. Love, 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 love. It's great. I love it so much. So much. Look at the spots on here, the aged paper. Yeah, fantastic. I recognize this magazine. It's basically called Life. Yes, Het Leven. And this is from 1929. It is completely intact. If I find these, and most of the times I find these bound in a bigger book. So I have to take them out, and then the spine of the magazines, sort of like this, they come apart. I don't mind that because, you know, that makes me want to use them, scan them, do something with them. This says peanut butter. Nutritious. See? Peanut butter is nutritious. Yeah, apparently so. It has all sorts of food on here. So yeah, I don't know exactly what sort of magazine this was. But it is filled with advertisements, so I can tell you it's a magazine that I really, really like. Yes, all these advertisement pieces. It's so fantastic. It doesn't have photographs in here, she says, while flipping through it. And there was a photograph here. The Bijenkorf. Oh, that's a big department store. Still here. Yes. It's over 100 years old now. Yeah, I have this sort of illustration in a book by Leonard de Vries. Oh, and then this is more glossy. St. Nicholas. Yes. This is sort of our Santa. Same principle. He's gonna look if you've been naughty or nice. All sorts of photographs. Perhaps I had a copy of this that was a little bit older when there was no photography in here. Could be. Or I could be just mistaken, you know. Could be mistaken. Look at them having fun dancing. And there you go. Cool. All these old photographs. That's so fantastic. These are just news articles. I'm just quickly flipping through them. Then some cartoons. And then advertisement pieces again. It's so lovely. Love the paper, especially love this. I don't know how this will scan, if it's going to be too orange or not. Yeah, and then I was like, I did take the box lid off and I lifted this one, and then I saw this one. I was like, what? What are you doing? Funny story, let me tell you. So in one of my last hauls, I have shown you probably these books. These are Reader's Digest field guides. I believe I have the whole series. They are 5. I'm gonna turn around. Just 1 second. 2, 4, 6. There are 7. I have 7. I believe there are 7 in total. And now I had one double, which was the Wildflowers. But the one I had double, I just picked up, is an English copy. So I was really excited about that. But during the video, I said, oh, I wish I would have found a mushroom one, because I really want to, you know, do something with mushrooms. And she was like, bling, idea, I have this one. I have a second copy. So I have a second copy with mushrooms. That is so fantastic. I'm going to do so much fussy cutting Yes, I must say this is a very nice copy. I believe my copy is a little bit more beat up, I guess. So I'm probably gonna keep this one and use mine. So mushrooms, 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 yay! And then more of these yarn cards. Again, this is from a department store, V&D. It's called Vroom and Dreesman. It went belly up a couple of years ago. We still miss it, right? Yeah, but now these are sort of collector's items because there's a sticker on here. Love them. Love, love, love them. Beautiful piece of a ribbon. I love this a lot. Yeah. It looks like the ribbon that I lost. I found it, guys. If you've been following me and you've seen one in my hauls, I had something similar to this in blue. I loved. Look at all the small sort of seed packets. Looks like seed packets, right? Or something like this. Oh, I'm gonna use these on tags and such, or make small pockets. So many ideas, and I have so many. Thank you. I'm gonna keep this for last because really excited about this one. I'm excited about everything. I have a gazillion of these games, a quartet game, or I still don't know what the real name is, but I don't have this one. I don't. So it's a fantastic sort of addition to my collection. Yes, unfortunately these don't have dates. It used to be from a girl named Anja. Yeah, but there are no dates on here. No, but they're lovely. Look, it's all sorts of people from all sorts of countries. It's a game where you need to collect all 4 of the same category. I love these illustrations. They are fantastic. Look, that's sort of a Dutch girl. Yes. Yes, that's how I dress on every other Tuesday. I put on my pink dress and blue stockings and wooden shoes. Yeah. Yeah. She also lives in Germany. It's the same girl. Yeah, fantastic. I love this. Thank you so much, sweetheart. This is going to go into my collection. Loving it. Loving it. Let's unpack this beauty. Zoom you guys in a little bit. First off, there's washi tape on here that I really, really like. And it is on a plasticky sort of bit. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna find one of these cards that still has a little bit, see? Has some space left. This is how I store them. Yeah. Of course, when I use them now, I need to use a little bit more glue, but that's okay. I have glue. I love it. It's like ocean and land. That's perfect for nautical journal that I did not make this year. Just gonna glue it atop of there. See, here is how I keep my washi tapes that I get in Happymails. Yeah. I just put them on here and then I reuse them. This I got from a friend on Instagram. She uses popsicle sticks for it. Yeah. Great, 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 great. Well, and then this small sort of bag. Oh, these are beautiful. I already know what these are. We call them chromos, or they are very, very beautiful. Turn them around, love. Yes. I'm gonna do these first. Cigarette cards. So pretty. So pretty. Lady Hillingdon. Fantastic. I need to figure out if I can scan these, how old these are. I think so. I think I can. So cute, right? I love them. I will scan them either way. Either I'm going to use them in a project for myself, and if I can share them, I am going to make them into a digital, of course. Oh, these are mushrooms. Aren't these lovely? Oh, these are lovely. I don't know these. I even love this. I'm going to use this as well. Then these are fantastic. Advertisement pieces. This is French again with horses. I can do 15 horse journals by now. That wonderful. So beautiful. I also love the bags. This says 18 something. So, well, if it says 18 something, I know it's fine. This looks like Lawrence of Arabia. That wasn't even a thing then. Yes, fantastic. No, it's founded 1865. I don't know when I'm gonna do some research, but you know, already love them with all the horses. Oh, and the colors are so beautiful on here. So beautiful. They were an album. These are from Oxo. I also have an album with of this brand. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So very nice. It's a stargazer. Oh, another one. Oh, for winter. Isn't that fantastic for a Christmas project? The colors are so beautiful on here. Ooh, look at this bag. Yep. I don't know, sweetheart. How could you part with these? You must have a gazillion. Otherwise, you would not share them. Well, I wouldn't. Maybe that's just something about me and not about you. Oh, yeah, I love it. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, these are especially beautiful. I love these with the gold. So nice, right? Hopefully I can do something with these. Lots of them. And for nautical journal. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? A bird of paradise, I guess. Is that a bird of paradise? Does it say anything on the back about it? No. Well, not that I can tell. Yeah. Oh, these are amazing. Amazing. I love them so much. These I'm going to use for sure. But I want to see if I can scan these. And I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this. This is going to go into my collection. Wow. Thank you so much, sweetheart, for this wonderful Happymail. I am very happy with it. Indeed. Still a lot of questions about Happymails. If you can send them to me. Yes, you can send them to me. The problem is I cannot send you anything back because that will cost too much on shipping to send everyone a Happymail back, and also on time. But however, if you do send me a Happymail, I will send you something, a little something digital. Yeah, it was an idea from a subscriber. Thanks again, love, for that idea. So I will send you then a digital in return as a big thank you. Guys, thank you for well, unpacking this lovely Happymail with me. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Yes, I don't know if I'm gonna post this on Saturday or Sunday. Probably Sunday. Don't know for sure yet. But I will be back on Monday with another project. I'll see you then. Bye, guys.